Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transfer Samsung notes to your new phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my mobile phone and let's say that this is my old phone and I'm going to transfer my Samsung notes from this phone to my new phone. Okay, first of all, I'm going to open up my Samsung Galaxy Notes application. Okay, this is my notes application and then I'm going to select the notes I want to transfer to my new phone. And if you want to select the notes, you just need to tap and hold on one of the note. And if you want to select all, you can click on all right here. And then just remember guys that we can only send the unlocked notes, so make sure you have unlocked all of your notes before you transfer it to your new phones. Okay, and here I'm just going to select the unlocked notes so I can transfer it to my new phone. On this one, this one, this one, and also this one. Okay, and then once we're ready to share it, or once we have selected the notes, we can click on share. Okay, and here we'll have some options. We can transfer it as Samsung Notes file, PDF file, Microsoft Word file, Microsoft PowerPoint file, image file, and also text file. And I recommend you to select this one, Samsung Notes file, so you can open your notes on your new phone with this format. Okay, and for the transfer method, I recommend you to choose quick share because it's easier and faster. You can select quick share and then you need to turn on the quick share on your new phone. And to use the quick share, you need to turn on your Bluetooth and you need to turn on your Wi-Fi as well. And after you turn on the quick share on your new phone, the device name will appear right here. And then you just need to select the device and the transferring process will be started. Okay, that's easy, right? Now it's still scanning and we need to wait until the device appear right here. And after the device appear, you can transfer it to your new phone. Okay guys, and that's all the way to transfer Samsung Notes to new phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.